amidst rumors that the Chief Minister would be asked to exit, would be asked to resign and step down here, he has now softened his stand. The 78-year-old Yediyurappa now has said that he will follow whatever the party president has decided, with 2 years of his completion to power. Remember, Karnataka Chief Minister here will be completing 2 years as Chief Minister during this current term on the 26th of July. Political analysts, loyalists of B.S. Yediyurappa, though, telling Mirror now that it will not be as smooth an exit as is being indicated, because Yediyurappa will choose to fight. He's been holding a series of meetings here with various stakeholders that includes prominent seers as well from his community to gather in support. Meanwhile, ministers in his cabinet here, they're following the wait-and-watch policy. Mirror now having spoken to the state home minister here, who says that they're waiting for the decision here to come in by the High Command.
Sir, we're just seeing that the Chief Minister has just made a statement today, sir, softening his stance on what he was saying earlier. He's now said that he would be willing to accept any position that the party gives to him, sir. What are you making of this?
See, that is between the High Command and the Chief Minister. So, what is going to transpire between High Command and Chief Minister after 2 days, I can't predict.
Okay, sir, are we going to see a possible change of leadership? Your name has also been doing the rounds, sir, in the political circles as the next phase of...
As for the moment, as for now, there is no direction of such kind.
Okay.
And Yediyurappa continues to hold the position, okay. And he holds the position very strongly.
Okay, and what would we be seeing on the 26th, sir? Are we expecting any big announcements coming from the CM?
No, 26th is 2 years anniversary. Okay. That function will be in a big way.
Okay.
We have with us our correspondent Srija, who's getting us further updates here on this. Srija, given the fact that this is still in the realm of speculation here, there is still a question mark as far as B.S. Yediyurappa's leadership in continuing as the Chief Minister goes. Despite indications that came in earlier that this was already a settled matter as per the central leadership.
Well, this was clearly expected, because if you remember just a few months ago, this entire speculation was created by especially the disgruntled ministers and MLAs as well in the state. And then we went on to hear from the BJP highly placed sources from the central BJP leadership saying that yes, the change was inevitable. In fact, that was clearly the plan. And it's important to remember that the state is just about 1 year, 9 months away from the 2023 elections, and that the BJP High Command was looking for a young blood to drive the state to the 2023 elections. And also, if you clearly remember, as far as the age, unofficial age tag given by the central BJP leadership, remember, BJP leadership did, of course, give quite a lot of opportunities as far as B.S. Yediyurappa is concerned. At least this is what the political analysts and also sources from the BJP state. But what really becomes important at this point in time is that the show of strength that we have been witnessing over the last 2 to 3 days, because remember, it started with especially the seers, the Lingayat seers from across the state. In fact, the chorus growing unanimously, and also talking about how they will continue to support B.S. Yediyurappa and he should not be forced to step down. And if they do so, then BJP party will not survive in the state of Karnataka. Then we also went on to see where leaders across all the party lines, they were also coming out in support of B.S. Yediyurappa. But what really remains to be seen is how exactly is this going to be seen on the day of 26th July when he completes the 2 years in his office as Chief Minister of the state. Because remember, this change is going to be very crucial and it will form as the deciding factor for the 2023 elections. Back to you.
Right. Well, Srija, many thanks for getting us that update on that.